Good morning. So today, let us do some comprehension passages, some exercise let us do. So first, let us start with once upon a time. Open the text, once upon a time. Once upon a time, and take your classwork also, ma. You have to write. After completing this one, just you have to take the pics and you have to post to the group. Everyone should write the classwork. So in that once upon a time, write down first paragraph, first stanza. Write down first stanza. Mahendra, first question, Mahendra. Once upon a time, son, they used to laugh with their hearts and laugh with their eyes, but now they only laugh with their teeth. While their eyes block cold eyes, search behind my shadow.
Madam,
Yes, ma.
madam, class first lesson ఒకటి పెట్టి రాసామంతే madam. Second lesson కి రాయలేదు madam.
Not in that classwork, ma. This is practice book. This is practice book, ma. Somewhere you write down in some practice book, no problem. Down those questions are there. Write down first question. First, write down the first stanza. Under that first question, you write down. Answer we will discuss. First question. How did the people laugh in the past?
With their heart.
Yes, yes, very good. Write down the answer. With their hearts and eyes. Answer is with their, T-H-E-I-R, their hearts and eyes. Second question, ma. Copy from the screen. Second question. That is, what does the expression search behind my shadow mean? What does the expression search behind my shadow mean?
Without expression.
Yeah, here searching in the shadow, searching behind shadow means shadow, what will be there? Nothing will be there. So searching in nothing, okay. Searching for something. Answer is searching for something. Searching for something where, W-H-E-R-E, where nothing is found. Where nothing, N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing is found, F-O-U-N-D. I repeat, second answer, searching for something where nothing is found. Third question, ma. Third question. Who is the poet addressing? Who is the poet addressing? To whom he is addressing?
Their son.
His son. Is his son. Next, Mahendra, next one, second question, Mahendra, second one. In the textbook, you can copy the last before paragraph, ma. Last before paragraph. That is, but believe me, son, I want to be what I used to be. Mahendra, second one, Mahendra. Write down that paragraph, ma. But believe me, son, I want to be what I used to be. When I was like you, I want to unlearn all these muting things. Most of all, I want to relearn how to laugh, for my laugh in the mirror shows only my teeth like a snake's bad fangs. Mahendra, second question, Mahendra. Yeah, you can copy the question, ma. First, you write down that for stanza. After that, you can write the question. What is the first question in that? Why does the poet use the word believe? Why does the poet use the word believe? Why did he use the word believe, ma? Why does the poet use the word believe? Why he said believe? Answer is to make his son believe his words. To make his son, to make his son, S-Y-N son, believe his words. To make his son believe his words. In that second question, you note down. Question is, why does the poet ask his son to show him how to laugh? Why does the poet ask his son to show him how to laugh? Why does he ask his son to show him how to laugh, ma? Why does he ask his son?
His smile is fake, ma'am.
Yeah, because he has forgotten. Okay, he has forgotten because he has forgotten
Want
to
to relearn.
laugh with hearts. Okay, write down. Because, answer is because he has forgotten, because he has forgotten, F-O-R-G-O-T-T-E-N, forgotten to laugh with his heart. Because he has forgotten to laugh with his heart. Write down the third question, ma. I want to be what I used to be. I want to be what I used to be. What does this mean? I want to be what I used to be. What's the meaning for this? What is the meaning for that statement, ma? I want to be what I used to be. Used is used for past action, no, past regular action. So in past, the action which you were doing regularly, for that action we use used to. I used to go for walking last year. I used to attend the classes. Used to is used for regular actions in the past. So he used to laugh with heart in the past. That means regular action in the past. But now he want to means already he has forgotten that one, and now he want to do the same action. which he was doing in the past. Okay, that is the meaning for that. What was that action? Laughing with heart. Okay, write down the answer. The poet was truthful in the past. Truthful. Truthful. Truthful in the past. Past past. And now he is not. Now he is not. Again, 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 he wants to be, truthful. Again, he wants to be truthful. Truthful. Next, third one you write down. Second paragraph you write, second stanza you write down, ma, from the poem. There was a time indeed they used to shake hands with their hearts, but that has gone, son. Now they shake hands with hearts. Now they shake hands without hearts. Up to hearts you write down, enough. Only that 4 lines you write down. Mahendra, next one, Mahendra, third question. What is the name of the poem the above lines are taken from?
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, very good. Once upon a time. Second question. Who is the writer of the above lines? Who is the writer? Gabriel Okara. Write down. Write down. Gabriel Okara. It is there in the textbook. You can see the spelling and write down. Gabriel Okara. Gabriel Okara. Third question. How do they do it now? How do they do it now? How do they do it now? For that answer, you write down. So third question answer, ma. Now people, write down, now people, N-O-W, now people, shake hands, shake, S-H-A-K-E, shake hands, only as a formality, as a formality, F-O-R-M-A-L-I-T-Y, formality, without any pleasure, P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E, pleasure of meeting each other. without any pleasure of meeting, meeting, meeting each other. Next one, ma. Next one. The same page, first page, fourth paragraph is there. That one you write, fourth stanza. So I have learned many things, son. I have learned to wear many faces, like dresses, home face, office face, street face, host face. Up to host face you write down. That 4 lines. Mahendra, next one, fourth question, Mahendra.
Madam, so I have madam.
Correct, Mahendra. Correct. In that, write down the first question, ma. Who is the narrator of these lines? Who is the narrator of these lines? Who is the narrator?
Father.
Father. Who is father here? Poet only. Poet only, father. Okay. So the poet Gabriel Okara, answer is the poet. The poet Gabriel Okara, Gabriel, Gabriel Okara, Okara, Gabriel Okara is the narrator of these lines. Of these, THESE, these lines, LINES. Next question. What do you mean by host face? What do you mean by host face? What do you mean by host face? Answer. Host face is the face. Host face, H-O-S-T, host face is the face. Host face is the face with W-I-T-H, with pretentious, P-R-E-T-E-N-T-I-O-U-S, P-R-E-T-E-N-T-I-O-U-S, pretentious expressions, of welcoming a guest. Welcoming W-E-L-C-O-M-I-N-G, welcoming a guest, G-U-E-S-T, G-U-E-S-T, guest. I repeat the answer. Host face is the face with pretentious. Pretentious is nothing but acting. Okay? Pretentious expressions of welcoming a guest. Okay, now let us the next lesson. In that lesson, let us write a few more comprehension passages from What is My Name? Okay? In that What is My Name? Is just to write down. Mahendra, next one, Mahendra. Fifth question. Fifth. Okay. Write down. You are Amma. Your name is Amma only. See the screen and write down. You are Amma. Your name is Amma only. Ever since we were born, we have known only this. The letters that come are only in father's name. Write down first question. First question you write down. You are Amma. Who said these words?
His children's mom.
Ah, yes, very good. Children. Children's is wrong. Children. Child, children, plural. For children, we should not add yes. Okay. The children of the housewife. Answer is the children of the housewife. Write down the second question. Who will get the letter in his or in his name? Who will get the letter in his name?
The husband.
The husband. Very good. The husband. The husband. Next question. What do children call the housewife?
Amma.
Amma. Yes. Good. What do children call the housewife? Amma. Next one, ma. Mahendra, next one, Mahendra. Sixth question. That's all, Mahendra. Yes. Right on, ma. You are dexterous at swabbing the floor, even more dexterous in drawing the mugudu. You are dexterous at swabbing the floor, even more dexterous in drawing the mugudu. In that first question, who is the speaker of the passage? Who
Husband,
is the speaker? Good. Her husband. Her husband, comma. What is his name, ma? What is his name? Husband's name? Satyanarayana Murthy. She said no. If I call you with some other name, your name is Satyanarayana Murthy. If I call you as some other name, will you accept like that? She has questioned no. Her husband, comma, Mr. Satyanarayana Murthy. Satyanarayana Murthy. Satyanarayana. Satyanarayana Murthy. Or THY. Next one. You refers to
housewife.
housewife. Housewife, comma, Sharada. Housewife, comma Sharada.
మై హిమబిందు మ్యూట్ చేసుకో మై సౌండ్ వస్తా ఉంది.
Third question. What is the meaning of dexterous? What's the meaning of dexterous? Skillful. Skillful. Okay, ma. Skillful. Skillful. Next, seventh one, ma. Mahendra, seventh question, Mahendra. Right, ma. That's how her life went on, with a sumptuous and ceaseless supply of swabbing, clothes, and mugu baskets. How did her life go on? First question. How did her life go on, ma? Yeah, it's a direct question. It is there. Answer is there in that only.
Swabbing cloths and
Scrubbing the floor and drawing muggulu. Okay, her life went on. Answer, her life went on. Who is that, ma? Some disturbance is there. Himabindu, mute, ma. Himabindu, mute. Mute, ma. Some sounds are coming from your house, I think. Okay, ma. Yes. Her life went on by scrubbing. Her life went on by scrubbing. SCRUBBING, scrubbing the floor and drawing muggulu. And drawing, DRAWING, drawing muggulu, MUGGULU. Drawing muggulu. Second question. What is ceaseless supply in the passage? What is ceaseless supply in the passage? What is ceaseless supply, ma?
Swabbing cloths and
swabbing cloths and mugu baskets, madam.
Yes, yes. That's all. Write down. Very good. Swabbing clothes and mugu baskets. Swabbing clothes and mugu baskets. Next, third question. What is meaning of sumptuous? What is meaning of sumptuous? Meaning is luxurious, ma. Luxurious. 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 Okay, next one, Mahendra. 8th and 9th questions, Mahendra. 8th question and 9th. Yeah. 8th question, ma. Amma, tell me what is my name. Amma, tell me what is my name. Amma, tell me what is my name. Here, who is the speaker, ma? First question, who is the speaker?
Sharada, madam.
Ah, yes. The housewife. The housewife, comma, Sharda. Next one. Who is being addressed? Who is being addressed? ఎవరితో చెప్పిందమ్మా అమ్మ ఆ మాటల్ని? To whom she said
వాళ్ళమ్మ.
these words? That means
With her mother.
madam.
Yeah, write down. The housewife's mother. The housewife's mother. Next one, ma, 9th. Sharda, my dear Sharda, she shouted and embraced her. Sharda, my dear Sharda, she shouted and embraced her. First question, who is Sharada mentioned here? Who is Sharada? Yeah, the housewife. The housewife. Next one, who is she referred to?
Sharada's friend, madam.
Yeah, housewife's friend. What is her name? Pramila. Yeah,
Pramila.
good. Housewife's friend, comma, Pramila. Housewife's friend, comma, Pramila. Mahendra, next one, Mahendra, 10th question. Yeah. Yes. Ma, here I have given an example for diary entry. Just you can copy this one. You have read a story of a woman named Sharada who has forgotten her name. Write down. Imagine yourself as Sharada and write a diary entry on the day she came to know her name. Just you copy it from the screen. You copy it from the screen, ma. After that answer you can write. Answer it is there, just you can copy. I'll read out one sentence, just you write down. First you write down today's date. Today's date you can write 6th or 7th or your wish. (2019). So time also it is left to you, your wish. So 10 a.m. you can write, or 2 p.m. you can write, your wish. Time also you can write. In next line you can write dear diary. Dear diary. So diary spelling, check the diary spelling D-I-A-R-Y. So if you write D-I-R-Y, that is different. Where you will get that milk products, that dairy. This is D-I-A-R-Y. First date, year, time. In next line, dear diary. After that, in next line, you are going to start writing. For the last 2 days, I have been restless